Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. Windstorm Elite Boat Covers are a high-end line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America and rated #1 in customer satisfaction. Windstorm Elite Boat Covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Backed with a 10-year warranty, these Windstorm Elite Boat Covers represent the pinnacle of performance and protection. They are perfect for extended exposure to marine elements and UV rays. Our top-of-the-line boat covers are handmade with 100% genuine Sunflair fabric, rated top in the industry, and are engineered to provide years of outdoor performance in harsh marine environments. Covers come with sewn-in shock cord in the hem, heavy-duty XT strap kit, and stuff sack. Windstorm Elite Boat Covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with marine-grade fabric, designed to provide years of quality protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.